Friends and families, my name is Dr. Nelson Lekwuwa from Nature Answer Healthcare Center. Once more, we are going to talk about the healing crisis. We started by saying that some people will take some drugs, or especially natural medication, and they start seeing that instead of getting well, they are getting more sick and weaker, and they begin to panic, begin to run up and down, thinking that their case is getting worse. Most times, it is a sign of healing. That is why we call it healing crisis. The body is undergoing through a lot of changes. So what are these healing crises? So healing crisis is a sign that shows that the treatment or the medication that you are taking is working. So it doesn't mean that your body is getting worse. It means that your medication is working. Your body is receiving treatment. So it is something you should be happy about when it begins to happen. It also means that some people might think that their symptoms is getting worse, but instead it is a natural process of healing. Naturally, your body, when it begins to heal, it begins to readjust, as if maybe something is getting worse, but somehow it's actually meaning that your body is responding to treatment. So in such cases, there is nothing to panic. It's a matter of time your body will adjust. So it's just for you to be patient. So to some people, they might take some drugs, they did not experience any healing crisis. And they begin to worry, is it that the medicine is not working? Sometimes when you take the medication, it means that you're already experiencing what we call optimal health. So your body is already in a state of balance. So your body might not have any toxins to cleanse or some reactions because your body is already healthy. So to a healthy body, you might not experience healing crisis. But there are some people, even though they are sick, but their body is not responding. Their body is too weak to respond to the healing. So it means that even though they are taking medication, but their body is too weak, it is too insensitive to notice the healing that is happening inside. So such people might not experience the healing crisis. But some people might, immediately they start taking it, they begin to notice the healing crisis. So what is the duration? How long does this supposed to happen before you know that the medicine is working or you're getting well? Some experience it immediately. Immediately they take medication. There and then, they start purging, they start stooling. All manner of crises begin to happen. Start vomiting. But some people, it might take some time, like a month or a week, some 2-3 days before they begin to experience it. So it depends on the individual differences and the severity of the case you are treating. So it is not the same for everybody. So because somebody experiencing healing crisis does not mean that the case is getting worse. And because somebody did not experience healing crisis does not mean that the body is not healing. So it's a different case. Though the severity of the case is very important when it comes to healing crisis. Some people that have chronic cases, so they are bound to experience more healing crisis because for a long time their body has gone through a lot of torture because of the effect of that disease. So the more toxic one's body is, and your system is, the more the case of the healing crisis. So it's important for you to note this. So the duration of the healing crisis depends on the health condition of the person, which is between 2 to 3 days or between a month or thereabouts. So whatever healing crisis you are experiencing, please do not panic. Just know that it is a sign that your body is healing. Your organs are trying to reset itself. The dead cells are going out. The dead bacteria are finding their way out. If the toxins are looking for how to go out, your body is trying to cleanse and eliminate all the abominations, all the toxicity, all the bad things that are in your body they are trying to look for an escape route, how to come out of your body. So there is nothing to fear. My dear, so healing crisis is a sign that the medication is working. So the best thing you can do is to contact your doctor once you notice healing crisis. There is nothing to panic. Thank you very much.